Hey guys, I'm doing a little manual pressure testing on a filler here while Stan's doing a little bit of wiring. And while I'm running my manual pressure test, I wanted to actually give you guys a couple more pointers. I know we already have an OnlyCans video about this, but we can get a little bit more in depth with it because of the amount that a manual pressure test can show you. There's a little bit more information that I wanted to divulge. So I've got my cans under the fill heads. I've indexed them in. I haven't touched them. I want my fill heads to come down on top of them exactly where the cans land to let me know what kind of seal I'm actually getting. So you can see here on my HMI, I have 30 PSI in my tank right now. What I'm gonna do is open the tank to cans and then lower my fill heads. And what I'm looking for is what kind of seal I'm gonna get in that process. Open tank to cans, lower fill heads. So now I've got a seal on top of my cans. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to close my tank to cans. And what I'm looking for is all the pressures in my cans. They're gonna start dropping slowly, but what I wanna see is about 1 PSI change every now and again. If I see one of those dropping dramatically, I know that I'm not getting a good seal on that fill head, whether it be the can seal gasket, my alignment, a few different things. But you can see how they're dropping very, very slowly. That's what I want to see whenever I'm running a manual pressure test.